I think sometimes when big laws are passed, they might have impacts that we don't all consider. One example is the Oregon law passed in 2017 called the Reproductive Health Equity Act. Among other things, it requires organizations that offer health insurance to cover abortion for employees as part of that insurance plan. So, under that state law, that includes Oregon Right to Life, which actually works to stop abortion in Oregon. Get it? Interesting contradiction there. The group with the main purpose of fighting abortion is required to have insurance that pays for abortion. Their leaders don't think that's very fair, and now they filed a federal court motion asking a judge to pause the law. The filing argues that the abortion requirement violates their First Amendment rights. It also argues that federal courts have recently ruled that a similar law in California violates the religious liberty of churches there, which object to being forced to offer abortion under their insurance policies. Oregon Right to Life wants the federal court in Oregon basically to rule the same way for them. Lois Anderson is the executive director.
There should not be a law. We should not be compelled by the government to violate our deeply held beliefs. And it's pretty obvious that Oregon Right to Life is a pro-life organization. We have a over 50-year history of advocating for preborn life and against abortion.
So you have that. The court action will be defended by the Oregon Attorney General's office. A spokesman said the state will respond to the claims in the litigation. That's actually all they said, but I think they mean they're going to file some court papers to say, Judge, don't give them that injection. We'll see how it goes.